Isa ka bang regular employee? Well, dapat alam mo itong mga mandatory benefits na para sa iyo. Hi, Attorney Chrissy here. Tara, alamin natin. Maraming empleyado na hindi alam na may mga mandatory benefits na dapat ibinibigay ng employer under the Philippine Labor Laws. Una, dapat yung sweldo mo ay hindi mas mababa sa minimum wage, and that depends on what region you are located. Number two, you have to have SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig contributions na required hulugan ng employer at employee. Number three, you are entitled to your 13th month pay, service incentive leave or SIL after 1 year of service, overtime pay, holiday pay, night shift differential kung applicable naman ito. And since you are a regular employee, may security of tenure ka. Ano nga ba ang security of tenure? Let me discuss that on my next topic. So tandaan, you are entitled to those benefits and that is provided under the Labor Code. So for more legal tips, please follow, like, and share. That's all. Thank you.